Ano, wala kayong pambayad? Pupunta-punta kayo dito, wala kayong pera? Yes!
Looking at another angle.
The News Side. I am Marky Luis Perez.
And I'm Chelsea Cortado, the curtains rise for Tanghalang Nasyonal.
National University's very own student-led theater organization.
Where passion meets the stage and every story finds its voice.
Tanghalang Nasyonal starts this academic year with its General Assembly, turning the hall into a stage for creativity and fresh faces.
With the Devil Wears Prada-inspired team, the new members were welcomed with drama and wit. Every story begins with its cast, and they're ready for their roles.
Let's see how they bring it to life on stage. Give us one line or act that shows how thrilled you are to be part of Tanghalang Nasyonal.
So, ito yung naging line ko before, nung Tanghal Season 1. Like this, ano, wala kayong pambayad? Pupunta-punta kayo dito, wala kayong pera?
Sa akin naman, from Tanghalang Season 1 din siya, from our pay in May. Akala ko ba, mahal mo ako? This is from Hangganan ng Dagat. Linya po ni Linda. Pinerform namin sa Saloneta Park. So, Kristo, bakit ba kasi ang tigas-tigas ng ulo mo, ha?
Yung kay Arman Salañon, Diyos ko po! Because I've been part of the Tanghalang Nasyonal since its first year and nasaksihan ko talaga paano nag-grow yung Tanghalang Nasyonal. I'm so proud na nakayanan namin and now, second year na kami ng Tanghalang Nasyonal, we're also a first theater organization ng National University.
If your NU Life were in its opening act, how would you perform it?
Our life in NU, for us, we are very lucky and very happy because we explore our creativity and we show to the other people our skills. We are very blessed that we're part of Tanghalang Nasyonal for us to improve and grow. If i-act namin yung feeling namin, ganito siya. Ganito pala sa NU. Maraming malikhain,
Maraming mahusay at mga talentado. Kaya
naman, sumali ka na sa Tanghalang Nasyonal!
When I entered National University, sobrang nangangapa ako. Wala akong kakilala and naghahanap ako ng organizations na pwede kong salihan. Then nakita ko yung Tanghalang Nasyonal and there, sabi ko talaga na maging welcome ako dito. And I will act it in a opening act. Siguro very dramatic kasi yung journey ko sa Tanghalang Nasyonal is dramatic din talaga.
Curtains down, but the story is just beginning for Tanghalang Nasyonal.
with new members ready to take the limelight. I am Chelsea Cortado
I am Marky Luis Perez of TNTV, and this is The News Side.